Hello everybody. Just out here, over here. There's the road. This is way in the back on the golf course, not too far away. I have a chance to get out of here. I do have my bike right there. There's spikes in here. Dang it. That spikes. I hate that. Ow. I was trying to see what it is going on over here in the water. Hear that? I darn sure don't want to step in it. Here's the light. It's still not dark yet, so yeah. Just let me know, you guys, what the sound was. The time is 5:30 p.m. 32% of my smartphone on no mobile data signal on Bluetooth for my songs. And December 22, Friday, 5:30 p.m. 2017. I have 79.8 degrees on my smartphone. So yeah. This is all in the water right here. All in the water. I thought there was like bats up here in the trees and stuff. Yeah, whatever that was in the water. Never heard the stuff sounds like this before. But anyway, this is my first time hearing stuff like this outside. Could be like frogs or something weird in the water. Nature, hold on, watch this. Sorry, nature. And do this. Just kidding. No. Let's see, I want to throw something in it. Not too big. Here, I'm gonna throw something. Alright, let's see something. Throw a stick in the water. Okay, but anyway, I gotta go. I don't want to get stuck out here at night. And all these thorns right here. Because I still know my way back, so no matter. Anyway, here's my bike. There's the concrete right here. I'll show you guys where I'm at real quick. This is all the way to the golf course over there. And that is the shack over there, way in the shack. I want to show you guys over there real quick. And then I'll have to leave and get out of here. Ow, darn thorns. Ow, dang it. Whew. Yeah, that poked me really bad. I'm gonna get away from that thorns. I'm going to need gloves and gears. We're going stuff back here and like this. Look how mean this thing is. Check it out. Oh man. That would hurt me. Do that. This is exactly how dangerous it is over here. And that was very sharp. It's, red. Red, huge freaking thorns. Big time. Yeah, this is exactly how much level danger it is. The rate level danger. Oh, look how this thorn is growing like a sword. There's like a cross right there. There's a cross right there. Oh my god. With a thorn. This is a thorn cross. Oh my god. Look at that. Perfectly thorn cross. Okay, I'm out of here because it's getting dark. 5:33 p.m. and it's okay, but anyway, any recording now? Goodbye now.